Come with us as we explore the mysterious world of the open ocean. Institute houses many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and...
Release! Today's the day!
Look how many visitors came to see us all!
Yeah! Hi there, little fella.
You know, I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here.
Well, why don't we tell them?
Oh, let me! I tell it now! Listen up! These travelers have come a long way, and they deserve a good story. So we're going to do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started when...
Yay! Marlin met a blue teen named Dory!
No, it's when they found that mask.
No, it's when they escaped those sharks! That part's scary! Nope. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo. Nemo!
Dad! It's time for school!
All right, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn to get some knowledge.
Come on! Hey, Dad, wouldn't it be cool if my name meant shark wings?
No!
Or an angelfish? Is it true that they have wings?
I don't think so.
There are so many things in the big blue world. I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, Dad, do you know what sea turtles are?
Sea turtles? If I ever meet one, I'll ask you.
Me too. Maybe call me the sea turtle and the shark.
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws? You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale.
I want to meet a whale.
You meet me around to watch your tail. The big blue world. Just a little fish.
Come on, Dad.
In the big blue world. You'll be seen as a tasty dish.
No.
Means so much to me. scientist's boat.
What's that?
Hey, let's swim out and touch it. Yeah, come on, Nemo. Dad says it isn't safe.
Nemo! No! You can't be anywhere near here! You're not ready. I was right. You'll try school again next year. You don't think you can't swim well. No, you can! Come along! You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong!
I hate you.
And with that, Nemo did swim right towards that boat.
But suddenly a diver appeared.
But Nemo was gone. No, 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 where'd it go? It's gone! Oh, has anybody seen a boat? Please! Please, they took my son! Oh, I'm coming, Nemo!
Sorry, sir.
Help! He's got my son! He's got Nemo! Have you seen a boat?
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Oh, thank you!
Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim here.
But we're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Wait! We already did this.
We did? Oh, dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
There's something wrong with you, really. You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico?
Nemo! Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
Name's Bruce.
I'm Dory. This is...
No. You don't need to know. I was just leaving. I'd like to invite you morsels to a little part of your man. What's your breakfast like? Please tell me. Couple of tasty boys. Right then. Our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all sign the pledge. Fisher friends. Fisher friends. Fisher friends. Not fish. Then we have no shouted. We know shucks underneath. We know that fish are friends, not fish. Well, sometimes we know. Sure, we couldn't share. But we had shift from
the story. Where I come in.
Honey, this is where we all come in.
That's right. This is the part where Nemo arrived at the dentist.
And he didn't even have an appointment.
Our tank was just a pit stop. The little guy was a present for the dentist's niece, Darla.
Oh no!
She's a fish killer!
She shakes the bag.
Nah, we weren't gonna let him go belly up. I had a plan.
Dad?
Hey, kid. You'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
I don't swim well. I got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Bill.
But this time we got him. I promise. We will all get out. As long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success. Yeah, we swim in harmony and we study dentistry. We're the fish Apollo, Sherman, DDS. Sharkbait, you're one of us now, and we can't send you off to your death. Darla's coming in 5 days, but you'll be long gone by then. We all will, if we do this the way we do everything else. Clownfish, you're our ticket to breaking free. What's your name, kid? Our escape plan was set. Too bad it didn't work. Nah, we just had to find another way. Remember, all drains lead to the ocean. And speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him. Yeah, but there was one big problem.
The mask is gone. That was the only chance I had of finding my son,
Harpo,
Nemo.
correct. Hey, Mr. Rumpy Gills, life's full of little spills. Don't throw your fins up in disgust. Oh, what's the use of floating? They're not going anywhere. Swish your tail and dive on in, and trust that if you just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, what do we do?
We swim.
Right! La 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 la
Sing it, please. That song is gonna be stuck in my head.
There's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
Please don't retry to stay on task.
It says P. Sherman 42, Wallaby. What are you sending? I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mask.
Yay, we did it!
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
We follow our gut.
But
Just keep swimming, everything will be okay. See? Just keep swimming, your tail and sure enough we'll find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad, then look, the moment she's gone, and what do?
we just keep swimming on.
Teacher reporting.
Hello there.
Follow me, what is it?
My son, pardon me, hello. My son was taken from me in a boat accident. Wait a second.
Mama, ready, ready, ready.
I have time to talk to you. Please. Oh, no, Dory, wait.
Is this guy bothering you?
I don't remember. Were you?
No, do you guys know how
We are talking to the lady.
Fine.
Go easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
Any of you heard of Picture referred you all the way, Sydney?
What you want to do is follow the EAC. That's the East Australian current. That current, can't miss it. It's in that direction.
Just keep swimming.
That little baby's gonna float you right past Sydney.
It's a big blue world out there. And we make the fish feel small. But when Chris broke away, it's not so big at all.
losing hope his dad was even out there at all.
My dad, he's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff. He's probably angry 'cause I was bad. I'm sure that he's not coming.
But his dad was coming. At that very moment, Marlin and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And he was, as the kids say, totally awesome.
Dude, you have traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star.
Yeah, but
You're exactly where you're meant to be. To grab some chill and surf the sea with me. Go with the flow. Go with the
Hey, Dad!
Offspring! Mr. Turtle. Whoa, dude, Mr. Turtle's my fall record. Name's Crush.
Show your 360 squirt! Check this out! What?
my goodness.
Dude, why don't you take it slow? Let us see how Squirt does flying so.
Wow! That was so cool! Dad, did you see what I did?
Sea monkeys are
It's all totally wrong, Squirt. You're such an amazing kid.
children, huh?
It's awesome. They're eggs on a beach, then cuckoo-ca-choo. They find their own way back to the big open.
All by themselves. But they're not ready. I mean, how do you know? How do you know?
You never really know if they're ever gonna grow. Think you're gonna let them go. Just go with the flow. No worries, man. You tell the little dude I said hi.
I will. Wow, that was fun. I actually enjoyed that.
See you later, dudes! Hey, look! Turtle!
Come on.
So, news of Marlin's journey traveled far and wide. The sea turtles told their fish friends.
Told the lobsters!
He told the swordfish.
Who told the dolphins?
Told the albatross.
Who told the pelicans?
Flew that news right to our windowsill. Nemo, did you hear? Your dad's been out fighting the entire ocean looking for you.
Father? Really? And we're days in the sandy harbor right now! Wow! That's my dad! I knew all along. Underneath, he's really brave and strong. He's on his way now.
Nemo's gone. I couldn't. I'm going home now.
Wait, where are you going?
Dory, if it wasn't for you, I never would have made it here, so thank you.
Wait, stop. No one's ever stuck with me for so long before. Please, don't go away. Please. And you are?
This is Dory. She helped me find you. I thought I lost you. I saw you belly up.
I was just pretending to push me down the drain.
Well, thank goodness you're safe.
Dad, I don't hate you.
Oh no, Nemo. I am so sorry. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle, and he was 150.
150? Whoa. So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together. Then you'll tell me.
Wanna make it three?
So, Nemo and his dad were finally reunited and inspired by Nemo's big escape. We hitched our own ride out of the tanks on the plastic bag express. And that's how we ended up here. Yeah.
But wait! What happened when they got back home to the reef?
Well, it's release day. What do you say we go find Nemo and see for ourselves? Get you later, folks. We're gonna date with the big blue.
More explorers.
Time for school.
Now go and get some knowledge.
And come on when you're done.
Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun.
Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
There's something I've got to do. Look at Dad.
I love you too, son. Now go have an adventure.
Bye, Elmo.
Nemo.
Bye, Dory. Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.